Welcome to 477 Hulston Landing. This is a spacious 5-bedroom, 3 full bath home that is very well maintained. Come take a look inside. When you first walk in, there is a formal dining room to the left. That could also be used as a play area. Very versatile space. Going into the living room, there's a very open floor plan, large center island, granite counters, gas stove, stainless steel appliances. Crown molding throughout this area, updated light fixtures and ceiling fans. The floors are in perfect condition. There is a main floor bedroom that is currently used as an office space. Right outside of that will be the full bath. The laundry room has been updated and the washer and dryer stay with the house. This home is located on a premium lot. It is very large and back to woods, private, serene setting. There's a screen room as well as a patio that is the full length of the home.